Rhino Results review. That is what we'll be checking out in this video. Hey guys, my name is Saurabh and this channel is all about latest product reviews, tips and tricks on affiliate marketing and lot more. So in a nutshell, Rhino Results is an info-based training product that is going to be released on Warrior Plus Marketplace on 23rd of November. And this product teaches about how you can make money by giving away free products. So basically, you're going to get not one, not two, but three products from Daud, who is the creator of this product. So on those products, the front end in Warrior Plus is going to be zero pricing. So it is literally going to be free for anyone, but there will be upsells with those products, and if someone is going to get those upsells after getting the free version of the product, you are going to make the commission. So if this is something that interests you, please make sure you watch this video towards the end, as I'll be showing you what is there inside the members area of Rhino Results. I'll be also showing you my custom bonuses which I've crafted specially for you guys if you decide to pick up Rhino Results using my link, which is right there in the description down below. I'll be talking about the price point of Rhino Results, and then I'll be telling you the things which I like about it and things which I don't like about Rhino Results, and finally I'm going to give you my verdict about the product. So without a further ado, let's jump straight into the members area of Rhino Results and let me show you what it is all about. So this is how the members area gonna look like, and it's a simple members area, clean looking members area, and you're going to get the welcome video from Daud, and then you're going to get the overview of the method which you're going to learn, and then the main trainings are over here in the main training section. So you're going to get the introduction to the training, the first giveaway product, the second giveaway product, the third one. As I told you, you're going to get three products which you can give away. Then you will be taught as to how you can use these resources, and finally you will learn how to promote these products which you're going to give it away for absolutely free. So there will be a few strategies as to how you need to promote these products, drive traffic to that, and for the traffic part I've also got you covered with my bonuses which I'll be showing you later on in this video. And then you have the resources section, so you're going to get plenty of resources. Animal Kingdom Anarchy is one of the products from Daud. You're going to get free squeeze pages. You're going to get special squeeze pages which you can use to capture the email addresses and all. And then you're going to get a conclusion video. There will be few bonuses. These are the vendor bonuses. And then there will be few upgrades which I'll be covering later on in this video. And make sure you watch those upgrades because I have something very interesting to tell about those. And then you are also going to get few unadvertised bonuses. So these are some additional trainings from the other marketers. So that's you're going to get. So this is everything about the members area of Rhino Results. And now let me take you inside my bonus page which I've crafted for you guys. And this is how my bonus page gonna look like. And make sure you pick up your bonuses before this countdown timer runs out. And the number one bonus I'm going to give you is one-to-one coaching call. Yes, that is going to be 60 minutes of my time with you where we can discuss about anything related to online business. If you're stuck with something, if you need any assistance with something, or if you want to learn something, that's going to be your chance. Bonus number two, I'm going to give you 40 high quality products which you can give away. Yes, so not only you're going to get these three products from Daud, I'm going to give you these 40 additional bonus products which you can use them as bonuses in your campaigns, or you can literally give it out for free for for building your list. So it's basically do whatever you want with these products. These are a training and some software products, so even if you go through these products, you're going to learn a lot. So bonus number three, I'm going to give you a traffic training where you will learn how to drive the insane amount of traffic using this secret method. Yes, that's a training course about a secret traffic method which you can apply very easily on the training inside the Rhino Results. You can promote the products under Rhino Results using this secret traffic method. Bonus number four, I'm going to give you my training on YouTube where you will learn everything about starting and growing a YouTube channel. So that is my own training, and you're going to get it for absolutely free. So you can promote products on YouTube as well. You can promote anything basically on YouTube. So, but you need to learn how you need to promote on YouTube. It is not just about putting out random videos. There has to be a strategy behind that, and that is what you will learn inside this training. Bonus number 5, you're going to get all the vendor bonuses right inside the members area. I had already shown you where you will get those vendor bonuses and few unadvertised bonuses as well. All your bonuses will be available right inside the Warrior Plus dashboard. Once you complete your purchase, you will see this button of access affiliate bonus. So just need to click on that button and your bonuses will be right there waiting for you, and you're going to get all these bonuses and the trainings which I had shown you in the members area for just 12.95. Yes, that is the price for the front end of Rhino Results. 12.95. The bonuses, they are worth more than 12.95, and the training as well inside Rhino Results is more worth than just 12.95. And there are few upgrades. I usually tell that these are optional upgrades, which if you want you can go ahead with those, but hear me out about these upgrades. There is something which I want to tell you. So the upgrade number 1 is the Rhino Results Pro version for $37, but there is a downsell of $17. So you can pick up pick up this upgrade for just $17. And what you're going to get inside it, you're going to get a collection of all Dowd's previous products which are worth more than $500, and you're also going to get 6 super solo ads to send to over 16,000 members across Dowd's 25 MMO niche sites. So I think that is literally a steal. So you're going to get for $17, you're going to get all the previous products from Dowd and also 6 super solo ads. For additional $17, this is worth picking up. It doesn't end there. Upgrade number 2 is the weekly done for you campaign. So you will be sent 3 done for you campaigns each and every week. That will include the bonus page with the review video, product demo, and 10 custom bonuses delivered to you for just $97. And you can also pick this up for a downsell of $47. Yes, additional $47. You can pick up these campaigns. You will get access to these campaigns. You just have to promote that, because I know it takes a lot of time to create a review video like this, what I'm doing, creating the bonus pages, selecting the right bonuses for you guys. But with this, you're going to get everything done for you. Upgrade number 3 is the reseller rights. So you're going to get the reseller rights for Rhino Results, and basically that means that you can promote Rhino Results as your own product and keep the 100% profit across the entire funnel. And not only for Rhino Results you're also going to get for the 2 more products, the Halloween Method and Ducky Dollars. So you're going to get the resale rights for these 3 products for $37, and there is a downsell of $17. So for just $17, you are going to get these 3 resale rights for these products. I'm literally blown away with the upgrades on this product. Upgrade number 4 is Steal Our Traffic for $97, where you can put your pixel on Dowd's previous sales pages, which is getting a lot of traffic, and you can build a buyers list using that. And there is a downsell of $47 for this one as well. And the upgrade number 5 is the VIP package, where you will get free VIP upgrades at all 25 of the outsites in MMO niche, plus put a banner of your choice in the rotator at all 25 sites on permanent basis. And again, you get a chance of picking this up as a downsell for just $17. Yes. So these are the price point of Rhino Results along with the upgrades. As I told you, I really like these upgrades. These are worth picking up. I do not say this for each and every product, but I quite like these upgrades for Rhino. Now talking about the pros and the cons and my verdict about Rhino Results. So the thing which I like about Rhino Results is that the method which is going to be taught inside it really literally works. I am following this method, and you are going to get an opportunity to pick up these three products which you can give away. So you can give it to anyone, and you're going to make money with the upsells. And along the way, you're also, build up your email list with this, because understand the point, money is in the list, and you need to build an email list, an asset for yourself. In future, if there are no other social media platforms, you should have an asset for yourself, that's your email list. So you can build that list by giving away these products. And there is not much theory about this product. You just go through the trainings, and you can literally start implementing this within for 1 hour. So it's a short and crisp part which I like. And the other thing which I really like are the upsells. So I've already talked a lot about upsells, but I really like the upsells. And now talking about the things which I do not like about Rhino Results, well, I haven't come across anything which I don't like about it. If you ask me whether you have to pick this up or not, hell yeah, yes, go ahead and pick this up, because you're going to get everything inside it. There are no additional cost after picking up this product. And I would say just pick up the product just for the bonuses. The bonuses which I'm going to give you are way worth more than the 12.95, which is the price point for the front end of Rhino Results. So by all means, go ahead and pick this up, but you need to take action on this. I don't want you to just pick up everything which I promote. Pick up one thing, take action on it, take consistent action on it, and then you're going to get results. So guys, I hope my review has helped you to make an informed buying decision about Rhino Results. And if you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments down below. And thank you very much for watching. I will see you again in my next video. Cheers.